Blue a DVD player. Big ass interjumps every single moment. Big ass interjumps that explode in slow motion. That is the manga that caught us. The big ass handgun, the single moment that was probably nothing with the big ass finger. That is the mom. Jamaican scholar, big lad in Belgium, son, and the single manga that you said, yes, you can. Where suicide with the big ass exploded nose and this thing about King Kong by King Kong. single manga like a just got three-piece suits and falling full shirts and kneecaps. One last nigga was dirty as shit. Hey, this nigga manga like a G-Rock and Blue Rock, the other side song that's fine. This nigga manga has the last song about Fergie. One last nigga, your ass is over, son. Another nigga manga like a big ass G-Rock and interesting as a chicken jump elbow. One last nigga was dirty as hell. That nigga down, got a big cigar, got a big ball, 55. One last nigga was dirty as hell. That nigga down like a big ass Richard B. Sargent. Ugly ass nigga, such a fun ass stuff, you ugly ass again. That nigga Mother America Latina Roma with a Mario mask on and this nigga Nelly like a Brooke Nigerian vodka. Dumb ass nigga, you ass is ugly as hell. But that nigga that is bro, we are got a big ass. Come on, I know I'm dirty as hell, such a faggot, I probably just like that too. What's up, what's up, yo, dirty as hell, nigga, and this nigga mom's no. That nigga mom, this nigga dirty as hell, such a faggot, I said, like, yo, I said, this is such a faggot, I said, where's my faggot, you know, and this nigga, like, yo, I dirty, such a faggot, I said, make the fuck out, you faggot, nigga, what you talking about? This nigga mom's no, like, Jane bullshit, this nigga dirty as hell, so what's up, this is out there, that's dirty as hell, fuck out, so I nigga, that nigga, everything is taking out too, faggot, nigga, this nigga mom ass, that nigga is horribly just like dirty, this nigga ugly as hell, that nigga is I mean, this is a cheese, faggot, nigga, talking all this, what the fuck, this nigga so ass, nigga, dirty as hell, this nigga mom smell like steam, fucking eyeball porn, this nigga dirty as hell, such a bitch ass, such you faggot, nigga, fucking me, taking fat ass butts and fuck out you, faggot, nigga, fuck out you, bitch ass, nigga, face with it in you, some guys when her eyeballs exploded, such a freak that so fuck is you talking about, nigga, go fuck on you, nigga, yo, bitch ass, nigga, you ugly as hell, you know, it's how you like because you thought you was flexing it to you with uniform foundation on that bitch, such a faggot, I thought you couldn't fuck with a nigga like me, bitch ass, nigga, fuck is you talking about, such a faggot, I thought you just fuck out you, nigga, fuck you talking about, nigga, porcupine elbows, and this nigga mama like a muffin powder as soon as you out with so good. One last nigga, you ass is ugly as hell. That nigga, that look like a big bald, jaywalk and dressing table. One last nigga about dirty as hell. That nigga, that got beat to get by a Nigerian hippopotamus, and this nigga, that turned to a big ass anti-air gun with Carterfish elbows. One last nigga, you ass is ugly as hell. That nigga, that look like a big ass Arizona cinema with a jumpsuit on with a motherfucker. That nigga, that look like a terrorist alligator with a Call of Duty sniper rifle in this nigga ball cause the house too low because he farted so hard. One last nigga, your ass is ugly as shit. That nigga manga, the big ass Hulking elbow with candy corn kneecaps, and this nigga mom hates too much broccoli, so she turns to a big girl that hippo. Bitch, you fucking hard shit, nigga. But this nigga so fucking ass, bitch, is so money. Look at your manga like hot dog, burnt ass fucking rooster caught eaters, and this nigga manga like a big ass sumo wrestling alligator, this nigga manga like a sumo wrestling on show and no this nigga that got a big ass kneecaps with the sumo kneecaps. One ass nigga, such an ugly ass, a lame ass nigga, fucking smart shot, stupid ass nigga. And nigga manga like a charm bracelet on with the slip back. One ass nigga, how you feel? That nigga manga like a sumo quality with a sumo cap on and a damn ass on this nigga manga like a cupcake kneecap. One ass nigga, such a stupid ass, a lame ass nigga, fuck off to a big ass nigga. That nigga manga sleeping like turn into a big ass Call of Duty alligator with big ass involved jeans, kneecaps, and this nigga young gun and all that. Bitch ass nigga, you ass is leaving shit ugly ass niggas, just that stupid ass and faggot ass niggas, niggas on some stupid ass. And this nigga mom, you like a big ass fireball with gigantic kneecaps, and this nigga mama like National Batman, and this nigga mama like a fight from the deal with the function, this nigga yelling like a big ass African mom with the huge costume on his leg off. One ass nigga, you ass is ugly as hell, you know what I'm saying? It's just that stupid ass stuff, faggot boy. This nigga mama like a GC's kneecap, and this nigga mama like a big buff with some people with gigantic thermals. And this nigga mama like you see nigga mama like a body wrestling Jeffrey Dahmer with the jump strong, this nigga dad turns to a Zimbabwe fella with a burger team like. Bitch ass nigga, you ass is lame as shit. Nigga mama like a big ass African robber with a mohawk on. Mama ass nigga, you ass is ugly as hell, lame ass nigga, such a faggot ass, dumb ass nigga. This nigga ass. This nigga mama like a UPS with ethos. That nigga mama like a big ass homie with very nigga. This nigga mama like a dragonfly with a football head, bitch. Mama ass nigga, you ass is ugly as hell, dirty ass nigga. This is how stupid ass nigga, you bought ass nigga, focus on your ass. That nigga blocks mom like a big ass pocket chain and body good elbows. Mama ass nigga, you ass is ugly as hell, my nigga. That nigga mom like undercut burrito legs, bitch ass nigga. That nigga mama like shit. That nigga mom like a big ass DMG elbow with pocket chain cast and big ass roll cuts. Dumb ass nigga, nigga ugly as hell, dirty ass nigga. This is so fat ass up, pretty boyfriend wrong with you, bitch. But then nigga mom look like a big buff Yankee X with gigantic kneecaps and gross elbows. Ugly ass nigga, you ass is bitch when I said. That's a dog shit. But nigga mom like a Yana Clinton with gigantic fruit belly caps. Ugly ass nigga, you ass is ugly as shit. Pussy ass nigga, for watch your stupid ass. But this nigga mom look like a big buff Caucasian all with diamond elbows and nigga that short tour both. Kneecap with gigantic CR nostrils. Dumb ass nigga, you ass is bitch me as shit. Hey, this nigga mom turned to a big ass chicken ass you with seasonal allergies. And this nigga mama like a t-shirt and gasoline with gigantic ankles. Dumb ass nigga, you ass is bitch me as shit. This faggot ass nigga mom took a bite out of a big ass dog's butt chicken turned to a fried auto with a lemon-sized kneecap. Dumb ass nigga, your ass is ugly as shit. Bitch ass nigga, fat out your stupid ass. And that nigga mama like a gigantic mohawk elbow and logo kneecaps like dying white elbow juice. That nigga is dog shit, lame ass nigga, such a faggot ass, a pussy ass nigga, fat out your stupid ass, nigga. But nigga ass. But nigga mom look like a big buff centipede with gigantic Hulk elbows. Dumb ass nigga, you ass is bitch me as shit. Dirty ass nigga. You're such a faggot ass nigga, lame ass nigga, focus on your stupid ass cook boy. Hey, this faggot ass cook ass nigga, a lot of shit because I'm big, bro. And nigga went into this nigga bad house and hit the nigga with a ball head with a big ass bullet. Dumb ass nigga, you ass is ugly, sorry. Lame ass, cook ass nigga, such a fella stuff, you ugly ass nigga, want your fella ass. But nigga is ass. But it said the mama like a big ass homie elbow with a face nigga on his gigantic fingers. Dumb ass nigga, your ass is ugly as hell. That nigga dad look like a big buff alligator with gigantic kneecaps and this nigga mom turned big ass across his elbow and this nigga got a blow top kneecap and this nigga mom like an assault muscle with gigantic slow moving alligator elbows. Dumb ass nigga, your ass is ugly as hell. That nigga Pinky nose ass. And that nigga is garbage. Bro, this nigga is ass. That nigga mama like a big roast nugget. German alligator with teeth. Full belly caps and giant butt. Take more nipples. Bum ass nigga lost his head to the soul. That nigga mad as hell because that nigga mom turned into centipede with foreskin elbows. Bum ass nigga lost his own vessel. Trash ass, lame ass nigga like his ass. And this nigga lost. It look like a big ass doghouse with teapot elbows. Bum ass nigga lost his own vessel. That nigga mom look like a big ass 3-piece chicken nugget with gigantic butt looking on the chest. Bum ass nigga ass is ugly as hell. But that nigga is garbage. But that nigga is ass. That ass about full as hell. That nigga mom look like a big ass marble runner with gigantic Napoleon Con elbows. Bum ass nigga ass is ugly as hell. That's why this is my last one. Boy nigga's ass. Hey, that nigga mom look like a big ass blue cut with gigantic carbon full servers. That nigga mom say even money going in turns to a blade club rockets with gigantic nipples. Bum ass nigga glasses ugly as hell. But that nigga mom like a big ass alligator but he got belly rolls. That nigga mom like a big ass London ice cream. Bum ass nigga glasses ugly as hell. Bum ass nigga. Bald nose ass nigga. That nigga is ass. That nigga mom look like a big ass cyclone nipple. Bum ass nigga ass is ugly as hell. Garbage ass nigga. That nigga is ass. This nigga mom look like a custom made Airbus with gigantic teapots. Bum ass nigga ass is ugly as shit. Bitch ass nigga. This nigga mom look like a big buff Lego piece that got sucked up in this nigga's nostril. Bitch ass nigga. That nigga is ugly as shit. Bald ass nigga. Bro, that nigga is ass. Bro, that nigga mom got an energy sniper rifle with gigantic teapots. Bum ass nigga. That nigga is ass. Lame ass nigga. Bald ass nigga. But that nigga is dog shit. Bitch ass nigga. But that nigga mom look like a big ass lame eraser with gigantic elbows. Bum ass nigga. But that nigga mom look like a big ass Australian alligator with gigantic big buff leather beaver noses and Viking beard kneecaps. Bum ass nigga ass is bitch what is shit. Pussy ass nigga focus on your stupid ass nigga. Big ass. Bald ass nigga. Lame ass cook ass nigga. Bald nose ass nigga. Nigga dirty as shit. Bald ass nigga. That nigga mama like a sleeping turtle. Bitch ass nigga focus on your stupid ass and boy nigga's ass. But this nigga mama like a big ass lumberjack. Bitch ass nigga. That nigga garbage. Lame ass. Bald ass nigga. Over ass nigga. Lame ass cook ass nigga. Garbage nose ass nigga. That nigga is ass. Bald nose ass nigga mom look like a big rough watermelon with teapot legs. Bum ass nigga about dirty as shit. That nigga mom called the thunderstorm about 45 times. And this nigga downloaded a colonial driver from Mario Massage. And this nigga mom got a facelift on her spine. Bum ass nigga, your ass is ugly as hell. Boss nigga mom look like a big hard bum ass nigga, your ass is ugly as nigga mom like a Mexican J-Rock and Boxer with big buff kangaroo costume nipples. Bum ass nigga got a yeast infection on his eardrums and this nigga mom like a Muslim Jew with mercenary titanium nostrils. Bum ass bitch ass nigga about to get out. That nigga mom like a Bendick and a Champion. Bum ass nigga, nigga dirty as hell, but I said it for words. That nigga mom got hit in the ankles by a fat food turtle. Bum ass, bitch ass nigga, your ass all stupid ass hell. Lame ass, sick ass nigga, for once, your friend ass. That nigga is ass. That nigga mom got like a fucking alligator. Bald ass nigga, that nigga ass and hit you with a football video. Lame ass, bitch ass nigga, you ass money to yourself. Better nigga, mama, like, hey, that's a song, y'all said, I'm saying, I'm curious, so that shit's some real shit. Dumb ass nigga, you ass is ugly as shit, bitch ass nigga, focus on your super ass nigga. And that nigga is dog shit. That nigga mom said from far and blamed it on the dog. Bitch ass nigga fell on shit, bum ass nigga. Bum ass, ugly ass. That nigga is garbage. Bum ass nigga don't do this shit. That nigga mom built like a nice perceiving key. And I'm saying this nigga died turned into a big mess. So go talk to me, chat. Bum ass, dirty ass nigga, you ass is lame as hell. Dirty ass nigga, this is super ass, I'm faggot ass nigga. And this nigga mom got beat together by King and Cody. Bum ass nigga. That nigga about dirty as hell. This ass nigga full on so super ass.